time I was doing a lot of installations of modular cabinets, and typically the face frame was an inch and a half wide, and at the time there were several pieces of my old guys around the cabin. So the frustration was this way, I needed to align it. Those are where I put the clamp, is where I wanted to put the room, right? So what I did is I built in drill guide to get center on the tile, and that pre-drilled the dead center, and that moved out of the way, and that was the drill. So this is going to be awesome, but it allowed me to get really close. You know, when I had it this way, it was too tight, and I couldn't get it this way. And again, this is really kind of changing the way Americans install cabinets. Now, that's an American method of manufacturing cabinets. The rest of the world actually is not using face frame. And back in the day, we had more movement. You know, that's kind of really evolved. Then we started doing more of this right here, which is a different set of challenges when you're doing a frame. This is probably the most common frustration right here. Unlike a piece of solid material, there's not a whole lot of work in it, right? Sometimes you just do one cabinet, one that base work. So that was the challenge to get that thing flush with it. On a flameless cabinet, now we're talking about standing down that main. Hey buddy, can you hear me okay?
Yeah, I can. I don't know if they can.
I just want to make sure. I don't want you to. I want you to be able to hear as much. So again, when we started doing installation of frameless cabinetry, this guy right here, believe it or not, is the real challenge, because you're on a ladder, you're on your knees, and that box, as you know, if you made them, it's going to be 24 inches deep, typically on a base cabinet, and 12 inches deep on a wall cabinet. So the first thing was to get this right here. So I'll let you come over here. Why don't you come over here, buddy? See that right there? Go and turn that right there. You see what the case is doing right there? Okay? See, it's flush, right? Yeah. Now that, you know, it doesn't seem like a big deal, but like everything in life, it's a process to get it to do that. But as a cabinet maker, and just like you as a woodworker, the eye only gets it so far, right? It's really the finger that validates the connector. So this window was really important for me. I wanted to be able to, no matter where I was at, be able to put my finger in there to make sure it was flush, right? So put your finger on that. So that is a, you know, we were able to accomplish that. But I also wanted it to be more of a utility clamp. Unlike the face frame clamp, where it really has one application, which is face frame alignment and then drilling, this I wanted to be able to use it for other areas of the installation. So for example, so the first thing I did is I increased the height of this. By doing that, I can open it up more. Now I can use 2 panels. So it's double thickness versus this 3/4 inch material or 5/8 installing. So once that happened, now it has a whole other set of uses. I can use the same clamp on the top of the base cabinet in the middle. It also is good so when you're doing even face frame cabinets, you still have to get the back set. So this has the purpose of putting the back panels together. I was using a squeeze clamp. So, this is what a lot of guys use to hold cabinets together. Either a squeeze clamp or the problem is that when you get it close to where you want it, you hit the release, everything drops, right? There's no ability to back it off. So this was a real challenge. That's how we yeah. That's not strong enough to walk away from. So after that, I went to the center. Now all I had to do was I wanted to do it on the bottom of the cabinet. So if you turn it upside down, I adjusted the height of this. So standard American height toe kick is about 4 inches. It varies from 3.5 to 4 inches, right? So this can be placed on the bottom, and that aligns it that way. So 1, 2, 3, and now 4 with the same clamp on a base cabinet. So once I had the base cabinet done, I wanted to move on to the, which by the way, was a bit of a challenge because this, when I increased the width, the strength of the clamp was sacrificed. The integrity of the whole unit was sacrificed. So this area right here, that was about a 6-month project. We engineered the back of the clamp so that as you turn it down, it doesn't snap. And that's probably why nobody did that ever has done something like this, because the clamp that actually goes around the C-clamp, and most clamps don't do that. So that really was what we were able to achieve by reinforcing this through some series of engineering. So that was the wall cabinet of the base cabinet. Now I'm going to show you. Anybody installed wall cabinets? You have? A couple times. Tell me, what is the? You set one cabinet first, and then you come on with the second one. Is that how you do it?
We set our first one, then we just sink one screw in.